Right. 290,000.
200.
Come on, what comes after that? 300.
300,000.
All right, what's next?
210,000.
Uh-huh.
320,000. 330,000. 30,000. 340,000. 350,000. 360,000. 370,000. 308,000. 80,000.
Okay.
390,000. No.
Come on. It's simple. What comes after 390,000? Come on, man.
400,000. No, 400,000.
There you go. What's next? Keep going, Alexander. You gonna get us to 1 million or what? 4,000?
No, 440. 400.
Come on.
400,000.
If it was 310,000, is come on. Good job, Caleb. Thank you, Caleb. Keep us going.
420,000. 430,000.
Man, you beating all of them, Caleb. Good job.
460,000.
I don't even know.
470,000.
Repeat after him.
80,000. 490,000. 400.
I just don't know.
What? Y'all just started over.
No,
We're going backwards. 90,000.
400. No, 5. Yeah. 50,000. 4,000, 90,000, 4,000.
490,000. Come on, what's next?
400 and 100.
We're going by 10,000.
Oh.
We're going by 10,000. We're counting increments of 10. Hey, put that back there. We're counting increments.
500,000.
Come on, keep going then. You gonna get us to 1 million?
510,000.
10,000.
520,000. 530,000. 540,000. 550,000. 5,000.
5,000.
No, 550.
Come on, think, man. Think.
5,000.
We doing 5,000 again?
560,000. 570,000.
Good job, Caleb.
580,000.
You repeating, Brendan? Five. What comes after 590,000?
610.
What comes after 590,000? Come on, guys. So y'all see why we ain't got $1 million between y'all three yet, right? Because nobody knows how to count to it. If you don't know how to count to 1 million, how can you get it? Oh!
Wait, what are we at?
We don't even know where we left off at. Man, the focus. The number one mental faculty we have to develop is what? The number one mental faculty we have to...
590,000.
Come on. All right, and what comes after that?
610,000.
You just skipped it.
600.
Good job, Caleb. Caleb is on it.
600,000.
I only skipped. I was just one away. I said 6,000 and.
That's wrong. You gonna keep up. Hey, if you don't know it, listen. Y'all want me to keep going? 610,000.
610,000.
20,000. 30,000. 600.
Good job, Caleb.
50,000. 50,000. 60,000.
Good job, Caleb.
70,000.
690,000. 600. No. 700.
700,000.
Good job.
710,000. 10. 700,000.
Listen.
700,000. 30. 700,000.
Y'all wrong. 700.
1,000. 30.
730,000.
There you go, Caleb.
780,000.
40,000. 750,000. 760,000. 770,000. 780,000.
Good job.
790,000. 800.
800,000.
Good job.
800,000.
Good job, Alexander.
800.
800.
We almost at 1 million. We don't,
8,1000.
come on, man. Come on, man.
8,010.
8,1000. Who says 8,1000, Alexander? That ain't a number. Come on, man. Come on, man. What?
8,000.
We count in increments of 10,000, and we at 800. So what is that called?
800.
810.
10 what?
810,000.
All right, well, come on, man. We're going to get to a million. What we going to do?
820,000. 830,000. 840,000. 850,000. 860,000. 870,000. 880,000. 890,000.
890,000.
Come on, man.
900 and
900 and?
No,
900, 1,000.
900 what?
And
100,000.
What? We're going back to 100,000?
9,000.
What?
Wait, no. 900,000.
Your mind, what is this telling me? This is telling me where your mind is
9,000.
automatically programmed.
9,000.
Your mind has been automatically programmed at $9,000.
900,000.
All right, good job.
Copy that off of me.
Good job. Both of you, hey, guess what? Teamwork makes the what?
Dream work.
Good job. Come on. Together we get to a million. Come on, we're going to do it together?
Yep.
All right, let's go. What's 900,000 what?
900.
And 10,000.
Good job.
920,000.
900.
Together. Come on.
900.
Come on, we almost at a million, baby.
950,000. 960,000.
60,000.
970,000. 980,000.
Come on.
990,000. A million.
A million! Guys, we made it to a million, guys. Y'all know how to count to a million. Now, look. However many times, look, Brenda, you take this trip. Look at now. However many times you take that mental trip and revisit that million, y'all just made $1 million because you should count to it. However many times you take that trip and get back to that million, do that in your head. Count to a million by 10,000. I'll teach you 100,000, so on to a billion. Y'all instantly and automatically program y'all brains to get it produced to you in physical form. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
You can only make $1 million if you know how to get to it. You just created a mental pathway in your brain to get to $1 million by 10,000. You get it? You see where your mind was automatically programmed to? When you would get to another number, you would be like, 8,000, Brendan. 9,000, Alexander.
No.
Caleb, right? So now the more times you guys do that,
Everybody has mistakes.
you'll be counting exactly. And so if you got to be willing to make more mistakes, right? You see how y'all kept going? You made a lot of mistakes in between there, right? But what happened?
Learn from your mistakes.
Exactly. And mistakes are experiences. And guess what? We want what? Wisdom, right? And in the definition of wisdom, the formula for wisdom, you have to have knowledge, experience, and understanding. Do y'all understand?
Yes, sir.
So guess what? You just got wise. Let go. That's how you make $1 million. Ah! Experience plus knowledge plus understanding equals wisdom. All right, good job. See you the next session.